die. What happened? Oh no. Wait, I'm mentally preparing myself. I am mentally. No. Let's begin. I'm gonna make you take this 12-inch dick. Sorry. What's wrong with me? Okay. Overthinking time. Oh. Okay. Here. I know how much you love gardening, so I handpicked these special flowers for you. Is this a gardening? Oh. Wait, make sure. Okay. Okay. Maybe they're just common flowers, usually fine, but I guess they're special in a way because they're special for someone like you. Oh, dude, are you trying to press me to flower knowledge? Was I that obvious? Yeah, might as well give yourself a pat on the back, cause it worked though. Oh my god, yowie! Pat. Guess my charm paid off. Hey, you're getting a little bit too cocky now. Well, who was the fool who said my charm worked? You heard a fool by picking these flowers by a tree and calling them special.